Namaskar, welcome to Government e-Marketplace. Today, we are going to learn about Startup Runway on GEM. This platform is built to showcase the finest innovators from across India. Now, we will see the story of the origin of this platform. A one-stop online procurement portal for all government buyers including central, state ministries, departments, bodies and PSUs. Launched on the 9th of August 2016. www.gem.gov.in, Rule 149 of GFR amended to, procurement of goods and services by ministries or department will be mandatory for goods or services available on GEM. GEM aims to enhance efficiency, transparency, and inclusiveness in public procurement. It provides the tools of e-bidding, reverse auction and direct procurement to facilitate government users achieve the best value for their money. As the Prime Minister said, the government is committed to curbing corruption and minimizing human transactional interfaces. GEM offers significant advantages for both buyers and sellers. For buyers, end-to-end system from registration to payment. Provides transparency and ease of buying. Provides options for search, compare, select and buy facility. Offers rich listing of products for individual categories of goods, services. Price trend for products. Up-to-date user-friendly dashboard for buying, monitoring supplies and payments. Order process redesigned for ease of use. Option to provide multiple consignee locations and quantity after authentication. Bunching for products, services. For sellers, direct access to all government departments. One-stop shop for bids, reverse auction on products, services. Dynamic pricing. Price can be changed based on market conditions. Strong vendor rating system. New product suggestion facility available to sellers. Seller-friendly dashboard for selling and monitoring of supplies and payments. News and event section for regular updates. New on GEM shows list of new product categories added. GEM's journey since 2016 has been one of exponential growth and technological innovation. It's built on advanced analytics, AI, machine learning, and blockchain to create a robust and secure platform. As of September 2024, the numbers speak for themselves. We have over 1.6 lakh government buyers and more than 95 lakh sellers and service providers. This has led to the fulfillment of over 2.64 crore orders. The platform boasts over 11,000 product categories and 332 service categories, generating a massive gross merchandise value of over 12 lakh crore rupees. GEM is not just about big numbers, it's about inclusion. It supports over 10 lakh micro and small enterprises, with over 1.7 lakh women entrepreneurs and 52,000 SC/ST entrepreneurs actively participating. GEM is a proud champion of the Vocal for Local initiative. It provides a platform for artisans, weavers, and small businesses to showcase their traditional products to a national audience. Through initiatives like Womania on GEM, the Saras Collection, and the Aadhaar Collection, GEM is empowering women entrepreneurs and promoting authentic Indian products like tribal handlooms, handicrafts, and curry. This initiative not only supports local economies but also helps preserve India's rich cultural heritage. GEM is a proud champion of the Vocal for Local initiative. It provides a platform for artisans, weavers, and small businesses to showcase their traditional products to a national audience. Through initiatives like Womania on GEM, the Saras Collection, and the Aadhaar Collection, GEM is empowering women entrepreneurs and promoting authentic Indian products like tribal handlooms, handicrafts, and khadi. This initiative not only supports local economies but also helps preserve India's rich cultural heritage. So, how do startups get involved? The registration process is straightforward. Startups register on the GEM portal, complete their seller profile, brand approval, vendor assessment by rights, mandatory, no exemptions provided on registration. After the brand approval process is completed, startups search for the existing product categories to list their product. If no relevant categories, product exist, then startups can list their innovative products under the exclusive 14 globally recognized and nationally relevant startup categories. Only DPIIT recognized startups are allowed to list their products in these categories. The startup runway supports a wide array of subsectors, enabling a diverse range of innovations. These include advanced manufacturing and robotics, agriculture or AG-tech, artificial intelligence, augmented, virtual reality, and blockchain. It also covers clean tech, renewables, consumables, home electronics, and wearables. The other key sectors are cybersecurity, education tech or edtech, health and life sciences, water tech, assistive tech, and medtech. The startup runway offers a unique set of features tailored for new businesses. Dedicated marketplace categories exclusively for all DPI-IT recognized startups. List multiple products and services with minimal tech specifications. Listing under 13 globally recognized startup segments. Brand and IPR protection. Full functionality of marketplace enabled in. Exemption from prior turnover, prior experience, and earnest money deposit (EMD). GEM is home to incredible success stories. Let's look at a couple of examples. First, there's GEM Robotics, a company that developed the world's first robotic scavenger, a powerful replacement for human scavengers. This is a brilliant example of how technology can solve a major societal problem. Another success story is EDGEFX Technologies, a company that specializes in setting up startup, research, and innovation centers for technical universities and engineering colleges. Through the startup runway, these companies are able to connect with government buyers and make a real impact. Thank you.